Let's proceed with practice problem number 18. Age versus blood pressure. Age 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. BP in millimeter mercury. 110, 115, 120, 130, 135, 140. Using Excel, there is a positive correlation. And the equation of the line of best fit, y is equals to 0.6286x plus 96.714. Number 19, the price versus quantity sold. So the price 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 in dollars. And then the quantity 100, 80, 65, 45, 40. Using Excel, the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 5.9286x plus 105.67. Number 20. Practice sessions versus competition score. Sessions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The scores are 65, 50, 65, 75, 82, 86, 88. Using Excel, there is a positive correlation. Let's proceed to the multiple choice questions or MCQ, multiple choice quiz. Q4 VP lesson Roman numeral number 11. Connecting the line of best fit from a scatter plot. Number 1. In a scatter plot of hours is studied versus test scores, the line of best fit should A. Pass exactly through every point. Letter B. Minimize the overall distance between points and the line. C. Always start at 0. Letter D. Only connect the first and the last points. Number 2. The line of best fit is also called A. Regression line, B. Frequency line, C. Distribution line, D. Histogram line. Number 3. If the scatter plot shows points trending upward, the line of best fit will most likely have A. Negative slope, B. Zero slope, C. Positive slope, D. Curve shape. Number 4. The purpose of drawing the line of best fit is to A. Eliminate outliers, B. Show the average trend of the data, C. Force all points into a straight line. Letter D. Change the data set. Number 5. Which formula represents the line of best fit in a simple linear regression? A. Y is equal to A plus BX. B. Y is equal to ABX. Letter C. Y is equal to AX squared plus BX plus C. Letter D. Y is equals to x plus y. Number 6. When drawing a line of best fit by hand, you should place it so that A. It touches only the higher points. Letter B. It passes through all x values. Letter C. The points are balanced above and below the line. Letter D. It avoids the middle of the plot. Number 7. In Excel, the line of best fit is added using A. Insert table, B. Add trend line, C. Conditional formatting, D. Insert pivot table. Number 8. If the r-squared value displayed on a scatter plot is close to 1, it means A. The fit is strong, B. The fit is weak, C. The slope is negative, D. There is no trend. Number 9. A line of best fit with slope 0 means A. No relationship between variables. Letter B. Perfect positive correlation. Letter C. Perfect negative correlation. D. Exponential growth. Number 10. The y-intercept of the line of best fit represents A. The change in y when x increases, B. The predicted value of y when x is equal to 0, C. The steepness of the line, letter D. The strength of the correlation. Number 11. Which scatter plot would require a nonlinear trend line instead of a straight line? Points forming a curve, B. Points forming a straight diagonal, C. Random scattered points, D. Horizontal line of points. Number 12. Which Excel shows the equation y is equal to 2x plus 5 when Excel shows the equation y is equal to 2x plus 5, the slope is A 2, B 5, C 7, D negative 2. Number 13. Which of the following best describes a strong positive correlation? Letter A. Points close to a downward sloping line. B. Points close to an upward sloping line. C. Randomly scattered points. D. Flat line with no slope. Number 14. A weak correlation means the points. Letter A. Fit very closely to the line of best fit. B. Are spread widely around the line of best fit. Letter C. Form a perfect line. D. Cannot be plotted. Number 15. Which Excel option lets you see the strength of it numerically. Letter A, display R-squared value on chart. Letter B, insert function. Letter C, go seek. Letter D, data validation. Number 16. A negative slope in a line of best fit means A, as x increases, y decreases. Letter B, as x increases, y increases. Letter C, y remains constant regardless of x. Letter D, no trend exists. Number 17. If two variables shows no correlation, the scatter plot will look like A perfect straight line upward. Letter B, a perfect straight line downward. Letter C, a cloud of random points. Letter D, a smooth curve. Number 18. The scatter the slope of the line of best fit. D, A, stronger the relationship. B, faster the change in Y for each change in X. Letter C, weaker the correlation. Letter D, lower the R-squared value. Number 19. In a scatter plot of price versus units sold, the line of best fit usually slopes A, upward, B, downward, C, flat, D, randomly. Number 20. The main difference between drawing a line of best fit by hand and in Excel is A, Excel calculates the exact statistical fit. Letter B, hand drawing is always more accurate. Letter C, Excel does not allow carved lines. Letter D, hand drawing eliminates outliers. The answer key for our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 12, constructing the line of best fit from a scatter plot. Numbers 1 to 5. Numbers 6 to 10. Numbers 11 to 15. Numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.